Unlock big data's potential. 14 key industry applications changing the game. Imagine a world where every click, swipe, and sensor reading fuels smarter decisions, faster innovations, and more personalized experiences. That's the exciting reality big data is creating across industries today. From banking to manufacturing, healthcare to transportation, industries are tapping into massive data streams to solve real problems, boost efficiency, and unlock new opportunities. Big data isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. As it becomes woven into the fabric of our daily lives, the focus shifts from hype to tangible value. Yet, navigating the landscape of big data can feel overwhelming. Industry players often face hurdles like funding, skills gaps, and cybersecurity concerns. Still, the market is booming. Projections indicate a global big data market valued at over $268 billion by 2026. So, where are the biggest impacts happening? Most organizations have goals to enhance customer experiences, cut costs, target marketing more precisely, and improve process efficiency. Security has also become a prime concern, leading many to integrate robust data protection strategies. Where do you stand in this big data revolution? Are you exploring its potential, developing new solutions, or already harnessing its power? Understanding how different industries leverage big data helps clarify your role and future opportunities in this fast-evolving landscape. Here's a look at the top 14 industries making big data work. 1. Banking and securities. 2. Communications, media and entertainment. 3. Healthcare providers. 4. Education. 5. Manufacturing and natural resources. 6. Government. 7. Insurance. 8. Retail and wholesale trade. 9. Transportation. 10. Energy and utilities. 11. Autonomous vehicles. 12. Internet of Things IoT. 13. Marketing. 14. Business insights. Let's dive into how these sectors are using big data to tackle challenges and seize new opportunities. Banking and securities. In finance, big data helps detect fraud early, analyze tick data, and improve risk assessment. Agencies like the SEC monitor markets using network analytics and NLP to spot illegal activity, while banks and hedge funds leverage high-frequency trading analytics and sentiment analysis for smarter trading strategies. Communication, media and entertainment. This industry analyzes consumer insights from social and mobile content to personalize content, recommend media, and measure engagement. For example, Wimbledon uses big data for real-time sentiment analysis, Spotify offers personalized music feeds, and Amazon Prime tailors its content to viewer preferences. Healthcare providers. Big data revolutionizes patient care by enabling evidence-based medicine, tracking disease spread with visual analytics, and optimizing resource allocation. Hospitals utilize data from apps and sensors to improve diagnostics and treatment decisions, while federal health initiatives rely on big data to address public health issues. Education. Educational institutions deploy big data to improve student engagement, personalize learning experiences, and evaluate teacher performance. Universities track student activity online, while the U.S. Department of Education uses data analytics to identify students needing intervention. Manufacturing and natural resources. Predictive models support decision-making in resource extraction and manufacturing, supporting seismic interpretation, reservoir management, and supply chain optimization. Analyzing geospatial, graphical, and textual data helps industries gain a competitive edge. Government. From fraud detection and social security claims to environmental monitoring, government agencies utilize big data for energy exploration, public health, security, and crisis management. Data analytics streamline operations and improve service delivery. Insurance. Insurance companies analyze social media, GPS data, and claims history to tailor policies, detect fraud, and streamline claims processing. Predictive models enhance customer retention and improve risk assessment. Retail and wholesale. Retailers harness transactional data, loyalty programs, and social media to optimize staffing, inventory, and marketing. Companies like IBM and Microsoft advise retail firms to leverage big data for smarter decision-making and personalized customer experiences. Transportation. Big data improves traffic management, route planning, and logistics. Governments and private firms use it for congestion prediction, shipment tracking, and route optimization, making travel safer and more efficient. Energy and utilities. Smart meters and granular consumption data enable better energy management, asset maintenance, and customer feedback. Utilities use big data to prevent failures, optimize distribution, and improve overall service. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars demand massive real-time data processing from sensors and cameras. Big data analytics allow for obstacle detection, decision-making, and predictive maintenance, paving the way for safer roads. Internet of Things (IoT). Connected devices generate endless data streams. Analyzing this data improves operational efficiency, performs predictive maintenance, and enhances real-time decision-making in everything from smart homes to industrial settings. Marketing. Marketers analyze consumer behavior to segment audiences, personalize offers, and forecast trends. Big data fuels targeted campaigns that resonate more deeply and convert better. Business insights. Finally, big data provides organizations with performance analytics, risk management, and strategic forecasting. Companies use these insights to optimize operations and remain competitive. In summary, industries investing heavily in big data are reaping tangible benefits. To tap into this potential, organizations must understand their specific challenges, market needs, and data characteristics. Industry expertise and strategic implementation are the keys to turning big data into real-world success. Feeling inspired to step into the world of big data? Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring expert, resources like comprehensive training programs can guide your journey. Dive in, explore, and start transforming data into your most valuable asset.